Do you want to go back up the other side?
Up that way or this way?
So what's up? Today we're in the city of Henderson in Nevada. Came to a car show out here. Trying to get as many content as possible. Later on today, we're gonna try to hit the Las Vegas Speedway to attend the Las Vegas Lowrider.
Well, Papa told you to bring your bike.
But I think there's a bit of mixture of cars, different type of vehicles, newer, modern, classics, vintage. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough of what they have. They got some muscle cars. This GT looks pretty nice. Got a couple, the Mustangs, 5.0s. The trailer. Yeah, oh, that double one's pretty cool. 702 Fox Buddies. Not bad. That shit's pretty clean.
She's even dressed up.
So yesterday was the Las Vegas Lowrider show at the convention center. It was pretty good. By the time I upload this one, the Lowrider show will already be up.
Yes, there you go.
Hopefully that video turns out pretty good. See if I get hit with the copyrights, because if I do, then we'll see what the copyrights say. That's the only thing I hate about car shows is the music. And I don't like to edit, so this Camaro's nice. It's Plymouth. Damn, that shit's clean. Yeah. I don't think it's actually glass. It's probably like fiberglass or plexi. Damn, that shit's clean. But let me do a quick pan around so you guys could kind of get an idea of. So this is held at a park. It goes all the way around the park. I believe that's, yeah, it goes in a full circle, but there's vendors and a mixture of cars, so I'll try to get through as much as possible. This Corvette's nice. That two-tone. Yeah, I like the way the white is. Yeah. Studebaker.
Cooking gas and hauling ass.
That's cool.
Those cars, I bet, do suck a lot of gas.
Especially when over there, you pay through the nose. California's a bad place to live. The politics are bad. The drivers are bad. The gas is bad.
The drivers are bad.
So you don't look weird with us,
It's just nice.
We're here for a reason. Damn right. And this is a blink of an eye.
We just go like that.
Yeah, you went so.
Yeah. We'll walk over here to check out this Impala real quick. Okay. Alright. These Impalas are nice, but personally, I don't know. I don't like those type of rims on cars like this.
I rode it yesterday, and now I can't find a fucking. She had oil on her fender. And I was riding behind a friend of mine.
I think one reason is I'm just used to seeing Impalas and small ass rims and wide spokes. But I think if it has the right rim, it would look pretty nice. Not all rims look pretty good on old cars. That's what I think. That's just my opinion though. 49 is fucking nice. This old ass Charger. Well, it's not old, but it's just clean. Look.
Yeah, it's sideways.
It's pretty nice. Yeah.
I don't like that.
The fin.
Yeah, that's not like. That's really cool.
Got the Mustang 5.0. It's clean. '54. Shelby GT's looking pretty clean. That's not too bad. 1500. Mustang. Yeah. Oh yeah. That shit is so crazy. I can't be there too long because of the music, but that has the old theater speakerphones like a drive-in. That's just pretty tight. No, you're fine. I think it's not your fault. This has a clean paint job on it. No, that shit's pretty nice. Yeah, so these are pretty much all the newer cars. Check these out and try to grab the older ones. This one looks pretty nice though, I gotta admit. Yeah. The lights on this one's too scat pack. That's just pretty fast. That one's nice. This fucking 300. Yeah. That back end though, that shit is nice. This one's a little bit older than the one I had though. They got a few scat packs. It's pretty cool. Damn, look at this pickup. I'm sorry. M3's pretty nice. Carbon fiber in the inside, that shit's sick. It has the top carbon fiber as well. That one sits pretty nice. Go. GTO. Oh, that's pretty clean. She shed. This shit is badass. That is so badass. Everything's so vintage on this. Damn. Love it.
How'd you get that bus without working out?
Damn. No.
May I look inside?
Yeah. It has a mixture of a bully, but downtown vintage shave parlor. Damn, this beach cruiser bike is pretty badass. I like how it looks all original, dude. That's badass. That's awesome.
Thanks.
You did.
28.
I know it. I know it.
Yeah.
These poor guys can't afford that fuel, man.
I know you
Danny have to go.
Did you see the stuff?
Danny, I'll have to go back to work.
Look at the engine.
You wanted to bring two cars. Well, he still got that guy running his route, right? Does he go out at all? Does he do some repairs? Oh, just enough to get him
I
off
don't
the
know.
couch every day, right? That's kind of like
That's what I was saying. That's pretty trippy. Firebird.
this side.
Not bad. Pretty cool. Which way do you want to walk?
I don't know, we can cut through here to go back that way if you want.
Yeah. Is it saying that they're going to be recording it?
No, it's saying for, I think for you.
Uh-huh.
Want an old Agatha Christie trip.
So we're just taking a walk to the other side of the lake, because I believe they have more cars over there. So we'll try to go check out those cars. Then we'll head out that way to go look at what the vendors have and food. See if they have any drink, because it's about that time already. But I mean, it's a nice day. It's not too hot. Been pretty good today. A lot of dope ass cars. Well, not a lot, but a lot of cars that are, I mean, they're all nice, but some that I really like. I know most of my viewers and most of my content has to do with lowrider stuff, but sometimes I like to mix it up a little bit. I enjoy looking at other cars. Try to get a mixture of stuff. Hopefully everyone's having a good week, good weekend. Getting close to hitting about 3,000 subscribers. Appreciate all the new ones. And everyone that takes the time to watch the videos. Well, you gotta get it from right there. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of cool. It'd be kind of cool to just like live here, but at the same time, I think for traffic, if you're trying to leave, come and go,
Oh yeah, right now.
it'd be a bitch. Yeah.
There must be someone that lives here that probably knows what to do with this.
Well, I'm pretty sure they run it through everyone.
Some nice houses.
Yeah. I like that one. I like that two-tone with the brown. Looks pretty nice.
I like anything purple.
Yeah, damn that. I like how the top is different from the bottom. Oh, those fins. Yeah, that shit is nice. Custom.
I like the white leather with the purple trim.
Hell yeah, look at that. Looks like they got it done at West Coast Customs. Nice.
Is that what it says?
Oh, look at that. It has little doors, dude. That is badass. Well, yeah, the plate says it, but who knows if it really is. Go use the restroom?
Yeah.
Okay. Camaro's nice. Bel Air. 34. Chariots. SoCal.
See this Camaro, Donna?
Newport. Imperial. It's a 55. shit's pretty nice.
Spikes on it.
Got the Hemi on that. They got the Dukes of Hazzard Confederate fly on there. It's pretty crazy. Damn. Skulls on that's pretty cool. It's different. So that's the car show we're at right now. The Cadence car show in Henderson. I believe this is the first one. This goes on to 3. Wanted to kill some time before I head out to the lowrider show, so fast as fuck. We're almost not bad. This is pretty. Damn, this El Camino, this 59. Look at that shit. That's a clean ass paint job on it as well. The tires looking nice. Damn, the minty green on that. And stick shift. Clean. That's just nice. 36 Ford. 49 Studebaker. That's just nice. Ram Charger. For Demon. Damn, that pickup though, 74 C10, loving that. Clean ass color to it too. '55 Jeep wagon. Shit, doesn't look that bad. It's pretty cool. in for a little bit longer. Then head out to another spot.
My love.
Oh yeah, that Camaro. That's just nice. El Camino.
No, so I don't know if you talked to Taylor.
You got one? Mine's born the year that was made.
Yeah, that's it. Has a nice pink up to it too. Yeah, on the inside it says hers, not his.
I like that.
Yeah, it says Lady Challenger. So for sure, you know that's a girl one. So over here we got, looks like a mixture of hot rods, newer cars, some classics. So yeah, it's nice. Yeah, the flames on it gives a nice good touch to it. Look at the Z28.
And I love that because it's a different color flame.
Yeah.
They added that.
Look at the flaking on this hood. That shit's amazing. Damn, all along the side. Oh yeah. He has the ghost lettering too. Oh, that's nice. Damn.
Yeah, Mom likes that one too.
66. Falcon. Damn. 1950. Jeepster.
So this is where the geezers hang out.
Damn. Top is looking fresh. See, those rims look fucking nice on that. Got this Eldorado. Shit. Damn. It's 88 Lincoln. It's pretty tight. Pretty tight. We got the Porsche GTX. Pretty nice. What? Yeah, I saw that.
You measure.
Damn, that's a nice ass orange. '40 Mercury. 77. Oh yeah, look at that with the top. Inside's looking fucking clean. Yeah, it's starting to. We're gonna go get some things we can eat right now.
30 miles south.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Santa Claus parking only. Nice.
Santa Claus right there.
That's the summer sleigh.
Oh, see? There's his ride. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. This is a 2015 C63. Huh? Yeah. It's almost almost. But yeah, they have a yeah, two-seater. That's pretty nice. I like how they have a mixture of could be like an old car, newer car. Oh, look at these pinstripes. Damn, this fucking color too. With the gold radiator. Fuck. Super Deluxe 46. Look at that. That is just way too nice. Got the Cobra. This Buick right here looking clean. See, I would put some mad rims on those for sure. Check out this 55. Rose is a 55 Crown Victoria. Damn, that shit is clean. Check out the glass roof. Oh yeah. The whole roof is glass.
Welcome to sit in there if you'd like to.
Go ahead, bud.
Nah.
Damn. That. Yeah, that's really nice. Loving how the interior matches the outside. 1970 Mercedes.
Right.
And then my cousin, who's the one who
And
told
it's
my uncle
electric.
to
It'd make it easier for me to record. Got the 31. 31's nice. Damn. Love this 59. No, you're good.
Here's your car right here.
Which one? I know. The back. That's different.
Yeah, it's not a horse. I thought it was.
That's why I was like, yeah, it's an 85 El Camino. They want 15,000 or best offer with 98,000 miles. I mean, it's pretty nice. Has everything original.
626.
Oh, what for real? 626-831-2359. 626 is out of like SGV area. But they have Nevada license plate. Sorry. T-Bird. So the mint green on that looks nice. They got the 1940 coupe. I like how the flames go out pretty much in line. Something a little bit different. They got the 87 Porsche. I look at that and I think of the Scarface movie. But check this shit out. This shit's pretty clean. Has a nice clean paint job on it. Loving the pinstripes. This is a 33. God damn. Trash. Ferrari. Nice. Pretty nice.
No, I mean that was I bought it used, but I'm just saying is that back when it was 04, it was 170. Modena was 150, so
Yeah.
Look at that view.
Yeah, that's especially right now. That's
That's the stratosphere.
not sure if you. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting, but way over there is all Las Vegas. You see the stratosphere, which is we're about 25 minutes away from the strip, I would say. Still debating if I'm gonna be out here in November for the original Lowrider Extravaganza show. I've been hitting a lot of shows, and I've been to Vegas quite a few times this year, but I don't know, it might be a last minute decision if I do decide to come. Loving those chairs and the ice just like that. Fuck, that is bad. Look at this, I love the fucking,
The golf clubs.
yeah.
That's old too.
Take a peek inside.
Bless you.
Damn, it's so retro. They got the old-fashioned binoculars, Crown Royal, ashtray. It is. God damn, I would love this. Ranch wagon with it. Fuck yeah. With all those luggage and everything. This shit's nice. It's pretty cool. The old wagon right there. That's pretty cool.
Let's go. Stop on back. Let's take a little break. You know, get back to that.
And I need the ladder to get in that.
Some of the trucks lower so you could get in. Looks like we pretty much almost got through all the cars. So now we're just gonna get the last of this row and probably just go check out the vendors, see what they have, support some of them.
No, that's the thing about it.
Then we'll start heading out to the next spot. Oh. I should get one of those for the back there. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, because they would probably sit there and swing on that. Studebaker, a 50 convertible. They got pinstriping on this one too. Oh. Pretty cool. Got a Corvette. That's probably the best one. No. That's why I think it was more newer cars than old cars. But yeah.
I still like it.
Hell yeah, people are already doing Halloween. My favorite season, favorite month, holiday. Damn, that shit's clean. Yeah, so it looks like these are the last of the cars. About 40-minute video, not too bad. Appreciate everyone that watched, liked and subscribed. If you guys ever see the super thanks, the super thanks on my videos, you guys could go ahead and support that.
What he did is he bought an industrial park that had 3 buildings, and 2 of the buildings he built between them to make one large.
Look at the horn thing.
And it's just incredible what he had there.
Model T, Southern Nevada chapter. That's pretty cool. Yeah, look at this, the windshield. That's fucking crazy.
I like it.
That's cool. That looks like it's the horn. That's pretty neat.
You know where it is.
Don't really see
Spot it, yeah.
too many cars like that. But so that's pretty much it on the videos. I mean, on the car. No, yeah. So that was pretty much it. Now it's just all the vendors and whatever they have for sale. I'll probably just end up cutting this video now, just because I don't want to go and walk around near the music. So, as always, it's always too much to see. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy your guys' day, weekend, week, everything to come, and catch you on the next one. A rato.